Rotting wooden fence posts or rails can totally wreck your curb appeal and make your yard feel sketchy, but fixing them up with a few smart moves can bring your fence back to life and keep it standing strong. So, first things first, if you spot any boards or posts that are all soft and crumbly, don't just ignore them. Pull those bad boys out and swap them for fresh, treated wood. When you're putting in the new wood, slap on a good wood preservative before you set it in place because that stuff helps protect against future rot, you know? It's also clutch to make sure the bottom of your posts aren't just chilling in wet ground all the time. Try adding gravel at the base of each post hole to help with drainage, so water doesn't just hang out and ruin your posts again. If you can, angle the tops of your rails and posts so rain rolls right off instead of soaking in, and trim back bushes or grass near your fence so air can move around and dry things out. Every year or so, give your fence a quick once-over. Look for signs of rot or loose boards so you can catch problems before they get worse. Oh, and if you're sealing or staining your fence, make sure you get all the way down to where the post meets the ground, since that's where rot loves to start. It's all about being a little proactive so you don't end up dropping $500 on a whole new fence. One of the biggest mistakes with fixing rotting wooden fence posts is just patching over the rot with filler instead of actually replacing the damaged wood, which never lasts and just lets fence rot keep spreading. Another super common issue is forgetting to treat the new wood with a proper wood preservative, which leaves your fresh posts totally vulnerable to moisture and bugs. So always use a quality preservative or sealant made for outdoor use. A lot of people also set their posts straight into dirt without dealing with drainage, which pretty much guarantees more rot. Fix this by filling the bottom of each post hole with gravel or crushed stone so water drains away from the wood. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find reliable local contractors who actually know what they're doing, which means way less stress when you've got fence issues or any other home repair headaches. If you're a contractor, it's seriously the perfect spot to connect with homeowners who need work done and want someone they can trust, so everybody wins.